Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by clarifying who this letter is for and what outcome you want. Say the recipient, goal, tone, and a rough word count. These constraints shape output quality. Then collect the core facts, names, dates, amounts, attachments, so you can feed precise inputs. Once done, pick a model and set a temperature between 0, 2 and 0, 7 for consistency versus creativity, and specify the format: formal letter, email, or memo. You now build the core of the letter by laying out a clear structure, an opening that states purpose, 4 key points that support it, and a closing with a call to action. Make the model follow your structure and paste 1 or 2 example sentences if you want a specific voice. Ask the model for 2-3 variants: concise, friendly, and formal, plus suggested subject lines. This lets you compare tones and pick the best fit before polishing. Finish by editing the draft for clarity and accuracy. Verify figures, dates, names, and any attachments. Simplify language and ensure the call to action is explicit. Then ask the model to refine, shorten, expand, or adjust tone and reading level so the letter fits your audience. If the model gets something wrong, tell it exactly what was wrong, supply corrected facts, and request a focused redo rather than a full rewrite. This targeted feedback fixes issues quickly and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.